Our Tactical and Race Objectives Integration Slide, aka T.R.O.I slide upgrades, are available for Glock 19 Gen 1 through 3, 26 Gen 1 through 4, 43 and 43X. All slides have a ceramic Cerakote finish, are scratch resistant, and non-corrosive. All slides feature precision cut tactical serrations for a non-slip and easy grip surface. Each slide has strategically placed porting on the top and sides for weight reduction and ported barrels. T.R.O.I slides for the 19 and 26 feature industry standard Trijicon RMR optic cuts. All slides have rounded edges to reduce printing for easier concealment and drawing when carrying. Each NDZ Performance T.R.O.I slide comes with a complimentary rear slide cover plate. Get yours today over at ndzperformance.com.